This is an incredibly easy mistake to make for beginners and even some people that know a decent amount about coins. So by now we're all familiar with what a wheat penny is. And if you don't know, that's fine. But if you look in the back of your coin and it looks like this, then you have a wheat penny. Now it's important to know that the first year they ever produced these wheat pennies were in 1909. Now the important thing I want to get clear to you guys in this video is the fact that 1909 had 4 different types of varieties that are important to be aware of. Depending on if your coin has a mint mark or not will dictate both where the coin was minted and how many were produced. Every year has a different number of coins that were produced. Generally speaking, the lower number of coins produced will yield a higher demand for that specific coin. Now let's look at this coin, for example, that sold for $3,840. So this is a 1909 S 1 cent wheat coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 66 plus red. Now this is still a lot of money for this coin, mainly because it graded so highly. So if you have a 1909 S coin, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to grade this highly and sell for this much. But if it does, then you are in luck and you've hit something that's worth a lot of money. Now it seems silly, but that plus designation after the grade there will increase the value of the coin. That all comes down to the grader grading the coin and if they think the coin looks nice for the grade. So we know the 1909 S coins are not worth a lot of money unless it grades very highly, but let's hop into the next coin. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. So this is a 1909 coin with no mint mark. This is a 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS, a proof 67 red. Really quickly, by red, I just mean the color of the coin. Now these grading companies like PCGS and NGC will signify whether the coin is red, brown, or brown. Now over time, these copper coins can brown due to the storage of the coin or other environmental factors. Now the closer to the mint state quality the coin is in, the better. Now these coins were all produced to appear red. They never produced brown wheat pennies like this. That's just how they came over time. Now the important thing you need to know about this coin is that it's also a proof coin. Now on the older coins, sometimes it's harder to tell if it's a proof coin or not, but typically what you need to know is that proof coins on the backdrop or field of the coin, it's going to have a very reflective mirror-like finish, causing the coin to look like a mirror when you look into it. Proof coins can be worth more money like in this instance, but mainly this coin sold for $9,602 because it graded very highly. It's a proof coin and it's from 1909 with no mint mark. So that's the next thing I want to talk about is this coin has no mint mark, meaning it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. Now most of the time, Philadelphia produces the most amount of coins, generally speaking. That means Philadelphia minted coins oftentimes are worth less money, but that's definitely not always the case. So don't rely on that solely. But this next coin is a San Francisco minted coin that sold for $117,500. Now, why did this coin sell for so much more money than the first example? They're both 1909 coins. They both have an S mint mark. Now, I'm going to show you exactly why right now. So this coin graded by PCGS at a mint state is 67. This is a red coin again. The big thing you want to look out for on these coins is if you flip the coin over and look on the back bottom center of the coin, you're going to see the initials of VDB. VDB stands for Victor David Brenner, which is the initial engraver and designer of these coins. Now, these coins were produced in an even smaller quantity than the typically issued 1909 S coins. So the VDB at the back bottom center of the coin is what you need to be looking out for because again, this coin sold for $117,500. This coin sold for $69,000. This is a 1909 Philadelphia minted coin. We can tell because there's no mint mark, but this coin sold for so much money because it's a VDB coin as well. Again, look on the back bottom center of the coin, you will see VDB. That means you have a coin that's worth a lot of money if it's 1909 and it grades very highly. Now this coin sold for $258,500 and here's why. So this is a proof coin and there's no mint mark standing for the Philadelphia Mint. Now a lot of the time proof coins are minted at the San Francisco Mint, so this is pretty out of the ordinary. But again, one of the main reasons why it sold for so much money is because this is a VDB coin. VDB coins for 1909 for the Philadelphia and the San Francisco Mints are just incredibly challenging to come across. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled for coins like this because this one sold for $258,500. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube says you'll enjoy the video on the screen right now, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.